Hey, what's up, guys? All right, we had a pretty good trade in Netflix. We had a sick entry. I wanted to go over the trade and recap it a bit. All right, so it's no secret that Netflix has been absolutely ripping higher. All right, we saw it. We were all watching it this day, and we saw it about to break 150, and the volume on this thing was absolutely nuts, intraday volume. So let's go to the chart. This is an hourly chart. So this is the first time it was breaking 150, and it looked awesome. All right, but I'm looking at the risk. I gotta give it $4 down. I don't think I'm gonna make $20. Not today. I mean, not initially. So I told everyone that I was gonna let this one go, and maybe it would set up for another entry. And what did it do? It gave us another entry. It gives us a tight entry. Let's go over it. So we openly passed on this 150 buy, breaking out of the channel, high volume, great earning, good enough earnings. Everyone loved them. I mean, not everyone loved them. The price reaction was great. I don't really care too much about the actual earnings. I care about the reaction in the price. So let's go to an hourly chart. All right. But firstly, let's go look at this inside day here. Okay, I had a little inside day. Let's go to the hourly chart. Here's this inside day. These little few hours. Okay, so then we open up the third day. Here's the first day when it breaks 150. We let this 150 go. We don't want to give it $4. Here's the inside day. This actually had a tail a bit lower, still 148.80. This day when it dipped down, it's let's go to a 15-minute. We'll see the move a bit nicer. All right, so we see it on top of this. This is the upper part of the channel from the daily chart. We see it here, and this is how it opens. This is a 15-minute, and we see it touches these lows, all right, and then gets really tight. This is where we start buying at 150, and we're just giving it to these lows. This is really 148.80. So I was risking $1.20. This is where we bought it. This little guy right here, $1.20, and boom, the rest of the day we got a great reaction, and then eventually we're really starting to get paid in this thing. So right now we're up about 6 or 7 to 1 risk reward. But listen, so we're not chasers. I'm not going to chase this stock and give it $4. I'm going to let it go, and if it wants to give me an entry, it'll give me an entry. But I'm not going to put on these crazy risk trades just to be a part of something just because I see it moving. I don't want to trade like that. I like my tight risk entries that pay off big time to the upside. So we bought 150 here. 150.09 is my price. I give it $1.20 risk. I took some off to pay for the trade. 156, 155 area. Now we're just holding. We're riding out this trade. This is a daily chart again. But look at it. It's up. We're up 6 or 7 to 1 risk reward. We bought it here on the daily chart, this 150, and gave it to these lows. Yeah, 148.90 are the lows. And it just touched. It used previous resistance as support so easily. You see it bouncing up, and then these tails from the bottom showing the buyers are there. This is where we bought this third day, this 150. And then look at the follow through. You want to follow the strongest names with the most volume and the best earnings reaction. I cannot say that enough. The strongest names with the most volume and the best earnings reaction. And look, we missed the day one move. We're like, oh man, that fucking sucks. But hopefully it gives us another entry. Keep it on the radar. And boom, we're murdering it so far. I've already booked like 3 to 1, and I still got a decent amount of stock left where no matter what happens, it's gonna be a great trade for me. It already is. All right. So I just wanted to let you guys in on that entry and tell you guys kind of what I was seeing there. All right. Good stuff.